Namaste everyone, welcome to the class. Just a few instructions for your first class. First instruction, never breathe through your mouth. Entire practice, please try and use your nose for your breathing, okay? Eventually as you practice every day, your breath will settle down through your nose, so you don't have to worry about that. And the second instruction is that if you have ever done a yoga class before, try and not compare. Be where you are doing, what you are doing, just focus on that, okay? For the first few classes, we will be doing a movement based practice. मतलब हम आसन नहीं करने वाले पहले 4-5 दिन, हम वो आसन को होल्ड नहीं करेंगे, हम मूव करते रहेंगे मैट पे, so that हमारी बॉडी और ब्रेथ का कोऑर्डिनेशन हो जाए, okay? The purpose is so that the breath and the body movements coordinate well together. So these are the two instructions, breathing in through the nose, and we are going to do movement practice. So let's settle down, sit on your mat, take any comfortable position. If you are sitting down in Sukhasana, try not keeping your ankles inside. Try to keep them wide. This you will understand and why I am saying eventually as we go ahead, it improves the hip mobility, it increases the range of motion. So sit as wide as possible with your legs. Slowly we keep the palms up on the thighs and we gently close our eyes. Bring your awareness to your breath. Don't think about how to breathe. Just let the breath flow naturally and normally. Relax your shoulders and your spine. Few deep and long breaths. Just understand the intention here is not to work out. That will happen eventually. But initial days it is very important to tune the breath and the body, because that is what makes yoga different from other exercises. In fact, in any exercise that you do, breath is your guide. But in yoga, it is your top priority. So इस पहले 5 दिन में try करना अपनी breath और body coordinate हो, and try करना बीच में breaks ना लो, ठीक है? Thank you very much. See you all tomorrow.